coming down. I'm a riser. I'm coming from a crown. Coming from a crown. I'm a sailor. I'm never coming down. I'm never coming down. I'm a riser. I'm coming from a crown. Coming from a crown. I was born for this. 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 I was born for this right here. Say it till the doubt disappears, and tell the face in the mirror. I was born for this. 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 I was born for this right here. Say it till the doubt disappears, and tell the face in the mirror. I was born for this. 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 I was born for this right here. Say it till the doubt disappears, and tell the face in the mirror. My heart never slows, red hot, never cold. My blood, the way it flows, brighter. Some say I stand too close to fire. Wake up, feeling gold, that's what I desire. Freedom in my soul, that's when I go higher. One life, one love, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Some people never change, my color's never gray. My love's always reaching wider. Nobody left behind on my word. Wake up, feeling gold, that's what I desire. Freedom in my soul, that's when I go higher. One life, one love, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. One fight, one touch, one word, one shot, one chance, one dance, one breath, one check, one step. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Wake up, feeling gold, that's what I desire. Freedom in my soul, that's when I go higher. One life, one love, that's what it's all about. 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 Would you rescue me? Would you get my back? Would you take my call when I start to crack? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me when I'm by myself? When I need your love, if I need your help, would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? We don't talk much, not anymore. Broken bottles and slamming doors, but we still care about each other. Say we care about each other. I know life took us far away, but I still dream about the good old days when we took care of each other. We were living for each other. And I start to wonder if I'm slipping under. Would you rescue me? Would you get my back? Would you take my call when I start to crack? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me when I'm by myself? Would you rescue me? Would you get my back? Would you take my call when I start to crack? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me when I'm by myself? When I need your love, if I need your help, would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? Yeah, I miss all the times we had. Can't forget what you can't get back, and you can't find it in another. Man, time, it ain't your lover. I don't care what you thought before. I'll be there anytime you call. Don't you ever call another. No need to call another. And I start to wonder if I'm slipping under. Would you rescue me? Would you get my back? Would you take my call when I start to crack? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me when I'm by myself? When I need your love, if I need your help, would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? Woo, Lord, rescue me, Woo, Lord, rescue me, Rescue me? Would you get my back? Would you take my call when I start to crack? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me when I'm by myself? When I need your love, if I need your help, would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? You bring an energy I've never felt before. Some kind of chemical that reaches through my core. Feels like as far as you and me, I've never had a choice. You feel like home. You're like the opposite of all of my mistakes. Tear down the biggest walls and put me in my place. I know that kind of comfortable you cannot replicate. You feel like home. So if you're asking me, say, oh, how do you know? I don't just feel it in my heart. Don't just feel it in my heart. No, I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. And I know when it cuts deep down through your chest into your soul, that's how you know. That's how I know. I feel it in my bones. And I know when it cuts deep down through your chest into your soul, that's how you know. That's how I know. I feel it in my bones. So many people just walk in and out your life. I trade a couple hundred just to get some time back, that's right. Cause for you and me, I got no alibi. You feel like